Hello and welcome to Book Hogs. Today we're going to learn how to write uppercase F. So let's begin. To write uppercase F, draw a short horizontal line and then without lifting your pen, take that line in a downward direction. Now lift your pen and then draw another horizontal line halfway up, like this. Now let's look at some words using uppercase F. Fog, fry, fuse, flap, flat, If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. It really does help. And if you're looking for free worksheets, visit bookhogs.com. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.